So in learning Bash, you may find yourself getting sidetracked by all the tools that it comes with. Tools which are intended to augment its functionality to make your life easier. While on one hand, it does by providing short and concise syntax. On the other, it may get in the way of grasping a deeper understanding of the language. With that said, wouldn't it be great if we could just use pure Bash script to accomplish all the tasks that these tools accomplish without the hassle of having to learn a different syntax? Well, that's what we're going to attempt here today, starting with awk. As you all know, I assume most of you know, it has its own syntax, which is different from that of Bash. We're going to start with a few examples on how to accomplish some tasks in awk. Then we will try to accomplish those same tasks without awk using pure Bash script. So starting with the most basic task, which is to display the output of a command or a process in columns. First of all, let's see what the command itself is going to output without typing it to awk. So ls la. There you go, that's the output of just the command itself. So if we type ls la, then we pipe it through awk. Then we say print $0, enter. It's gonna echo back the same result as the command itself. But if we wanted to retrieve the results column-wise, we would do, instead of 0, let's put 1. There you go. It's going to bring back the first column of the output. Let's try another one. Instead of 1, let's put 2. And let's put 5. And there you go. The output is the information on column number 5. So now we're going to try to accomplish the same task without using awk. And this is how it goes. So ls, the command itself, ls la, we pipe it through, while read -a, that's gonna allow us to read each line as a list. Line, semicolon, do, echo, $, curly brace, name of the variable, line, square bracket, at, semicolon, done. Bad substitution, okay. Let's see what we did wrong. Do echo $, oh, $2. It's supposed to be just 1. There we go. Oh, and we did ls instead of lsla. So let's just change that real quick. ls la. There we go. Now you have the same output as the command itself without any other code. So let's do the same thing if we wanted to retrieve the results column-wise using just Bash script. This is how it would look like. So instead of typing at, we would type 0. So this is going to retrieve the first column of the output. There we go. Same as the command awk. Let's try column number 5. And it's going to be 5. And in this instance, it's going to bring back the month, which is May. So as you can see, there's a difference there. The list, the positioning starts from 0, but in awk, the positioning starts from 1. If you type 0, it's going to bring back the entire output, the entire row. using bash script, if you type 0, it's going to bring back the first column. But to display the entire row, you would have to type A, as you saw me do before. So replace that with A. We get, there you go, you get the full output. So as you have seen, the outputs from the pure bash scripts are pretty much close to those from the Octo. Now for today, this is going to be it, and we will continue on another video with other examples.